Hello there, it's Frog. Today's date is December 19th, 2022. And what do we have here? Well, we are in the front of the Manjaro Killer. No, I am kidding. Do not start a flame war in the comments, please. I'm not here to make some controversies over the internet. So, I've never used EndeavourOS in my life, but I have heard of this for years. So, what is EndeavourOS? From as far as I know, well, it is a distribution based on Arch Linux, which kinda makes it quote unquote a Manjaro competitor, but not really that much because well, it is based on Arch Linux. It is much closer to Arch Linux than Manjaro. You know, Manjaro is kind of like Ubuntu in the sense that while it is based on Arch, it diverges and has its own repositories. Like Ubuntu, while it is based on Debian, they add their own repositories and they kind of do their own things too. But from what I know about EndeavourOS, they are actually using the Arch Linux packages directly from the not the Manjaro ones, the Arch Linux mirrors. They are using the Arch Linux mirrors, so they are not hosting their own repositories for all the packages that are distributed for the distribution. So it is kind of more like installing an Arch Linux, easier than typing a whole bunch of comments that you copied from the wiki. So that's pretty much what I heard from Endeavour. It is like installing an Arch Linux, but with a nice installer, and you're kind of have 1 foot inside the house of Arch Linux. So it is kind of easier to learn how Arch Linux works when you have a working Arch Linux system, right? So hopefully my description is actually accurate. I will find that out later. So Artemis Nova is here, whatever that means. Only addresses the grub issue for the offline. Okay, so it is some kind of news for a new ISO image. Welcome to EndeavourOS, a terminal-centric distro, very much like Arch Linux. A terminal-centric distro with a vibrant and friendly community at its core. Friendly community, latest features and download. Wow. Well, it is based on Arch Linux, so you gotta expect to add the latest features at the very least. But not only it is based on Arch Linux, it is kinda Arch Linux, but we should not say that too loud because we will trigger some Arch Linux users saying that. Rightfully so, because, well, if you want to have Arch Linux, you have to go through the Arch Linux install guidelines. Discover the EndeavourOS knowledge base, the place where you can find a wiki article and video tutorials. Is there as your guideline during your exploration in building your unique and personal system.
C'est très bien! Very good!
Create your own destiny with an incredible journey. So, Calamares will be the installer, kind of like on Manjaro. So, as far as I know, there's only one ISO image of Endeavour. And if you use the offline installer, well, you only have XFCE as a choice. But if you want to use anything else, well, you have to use the online installer. A desktop environment, yeah, sure. So you have XFCE, KDE, GNOME, Mate, Cinnamon, Budgie, kinda. Yeah, sure. I mean, every distro on the planet are more or less featuring the same desktop environments, more or less. So 5 community editions, so you have more choices, like more obscure choices such as Soy, Qtab, BSPWM, Worm. A basic installation ready to tweak. So no matter which method, DE or WM you use, WM stands for Window Manager, D stands for Desktop Environment. They all have one thing in common. A basic and almost bare-bones installation with a modest but powerful selection of terminal-operated apps to start your deep dive into an Arch-based system. So unlike Manjaro, well, you do not have all the bloat. You start with a very minimalistic install, and you have to complete it with whatever you need, just like Arch Linux. You start with Firefox, so you can, I guess, check out the wiki on the internet. Pacman, which is your package manager. So they provide Yay as the AUR helper, Firewall D for some firewall, Pipewire for multimedia framework, okay. Downgrade, the terminal operate package, blah blah blah. And NVIDIA installer, which is a terminal operating app that lets you easily install the right NVIDIA driver. Oh, that's cute. That's good. That's a pretty cool feature right there. So the welcome app, so they provide a welcome app. Our Stellar community is there to give you a push forward. Discovery, I guess it is the forum, I suppose. No, it is not the forum. It is well, documentation. Documentation right there. Cool. All right. So some documentation, which is cool. So ready to roll up your sleeve? Well, I am ready. So those are the mirrors, blah blah blah. Our flavors, all the desktop environments, and Windows Manager. That's a very good question. I have to look it up. Window Manager. I have the answer right there. Meet the team. You have all the people that are involved with the project. Full transparency on the grub issue. Well, since the recent grub issue has impacted a lot of people, the situation with this package is evolving, and we update this post with more information as it becomes available. I guess it's old news. Yeah, it's very old news. So, well, okay. So they had some issue with grub, which made the OS unbootable. Blah blah blah. A lot of information about that. Why? Why wasn't this code in testing? Not all grub users were impacted by this issue, and many Arch users don't run grub. So yeah, whatever. They had some issues with grub a long time ago, which is oh my god, I'm not good at math at all. 3 months ago, around 3 months ago. Yeah, whatever. So this is all news. We don't care for this video. I'm not here to be like, oh, they had issues. Cancel the project. No, whatever. Every operating system has some sort of issues in the past. You know, Windows had a lot of issues, but people are still using it. Whatever, man. Alright, so let's create a new virtual machine. EndeavourOS. Let's select Artemis Nova. This is Arch Linux. This is Linux. Arch Linux. The guest host will mean, yeah, sure. Of course, I want to install it manually, VirtualBox. This is where the fun is. So I will enable EFI because this is how computers work nowadays. Let's use 40 gigabytes. That's good. I'll just configure one more thing. I have no idea if it actually does anything, but whatever. Let's run the virtual machine and drag it there. Okay. So we have the choice between Endeavour UEFI default, EndeavourOS with with NVIDIA drivers, EndeavourOS with fallback, so no mode set, EFI shell if you want to go in the menu for your EFI. I suppose. Or not. Let's try it out. Oh, okay, no. It is for the shell. Like, I used this for like once in my lifetime, and I never used it again. Reboot into. So this is for the menu for the EFI. Of course, I'm on the VirtualBox, so it is the bare bone menu like this, but whatever. So let's go on Endeavour now. We'll put it in full screen. Oh, they're blacklisting the PC speaker. Okay. That looks pretty fancy. So I guess we will have a live session. Yes, sir. The question is... Oh, there he is. I was wondering where's the installer or anything. Start the installer. General info about Endeavour, software news, changelog. Don't really care about that. Too. Thank you. So you have some tools, I guess. Update the mirrors before system update. Not really sure if it is actually useful on the live session, but customizing the install process. What? Customizing the EndeavourOS install process? Ooh. EndeavourOS provides user a couple of ways to customize what to install. This is the easy way to add your favorite package names to be installed. Only from the repos, yeah, of course. User commands. You can write various comments to this file. The script file will be executed as root in the end of the install process. Install and remove packages, systemd services. Whoa. Okay, so the installer will run whatever you put in this file, and it will also install all the packages that you list right there. Okay, so I won't use this because I have no inspiration for what I could add to this. Oh, I guess I could just like touch in home and hello.txt. That's it. Nothing else, don't care. Nothing else, don't care. I'm not even sure if I'm using correctly. My god. Man, touch. Okay, it's fine. So it will create the file if it does not even exist yet. So that's what I want, actually. Good. And what could I install after the install? What could I add? I have no inspiration whatsoever. Why is it so hard to find a package name? Oh my god. Oh yeah, we'll install Opera. Okay, so archlinux.org Opera. Okay, this is not named Opera. So if I read correctly, add package names available from one package name per line. So Opera. That's it. Okay, so let's start the installer with all those nice modification. We will use the online install. There we go. American English is fine. This is fine. This is not fine. Not is fine. Let's erase the disk. No swap, we don't really care. So the desktop environment. What do I use? I will build something familiar, but I mean, you've seen KDE. I'm not using KDE and not Cinnamon, as you can see, but whatever. So if you've seen KDE, you have seen Cinnamon in the past very, very, very often. No, my XFC, I used it in some VMs once in a while, but you are actually seeing it right there. So this is XFC. Oh, by the way, I just noticed there's some transparency going on. Oh, okay. That's pretty cute. What do I use? I don't even know. Let's go with no, whatever. Okay, oh boy. Desktop base plus common packages. So you can select what you want to install by default right there. So X, of course, GPU drivers, blah blah blah. So you can select or remove packages if you want right there before the system actually gets installed. Recommend don't change unless you know what you're doing. Oh my god. So Firefox by default. So no other desktop, just GNOME will be fine. File roller, a lot of the basic tools for GNOME, but not that much. Sushi? What? I've never heard of this. What is sushi? A quick reviewer for Nautilus? Oh, okay. So you have the basic tools along with the desktop. So you can add printing support if you want by default, cups and a lot of other stuff. So it is doing what it is saying that it will do. Like it will just install a very bare bone install, and you can add or remove some stuff, but they're not installed by default. So oh yeah, custom packages you can see right there. So you will go for Opera in addition. So normally I should have Opera installed by default. So what is your full name? Whatever. Frog Endeavour. That is fine. Whatever. We don't care. We don't care for just a virtual machine. We're just having fun with Endeavour. We're not doing a serious install on a real computer. So it will get installed. So we'll just have to wait. Endless possibilities. So I guess I will be back when it will be done. Alright, it is now done. Let's restart the computer. Or the VM, I shall say. Ooh, that's a flashy splash screen we are having right there. A nice grab menu. Let's go with the Endeavour Classic. Right, let's log in. Classic GDM from GNOME right there. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, I know I made a mistake while typing my password, but can I type my password, please? What's going on? That's weird. Let's restart. What? Alright, we are done and we are on GNOME. Very basic GNOME install, as I kinda expect. Oh, never mind. Well, it is a basic install, but we are having a nice wallpaper right there. So this is the welcome screen. Okay, general info. So wiki, is this the Discover website we had before, or does something different? It is the Discovery. Never mind. Wonder why this called. I wonder why this called a wiki, but whatever. It's kinda glitching up a little bit though. I think. So this is the news. We already saw some of it before. Version. Okay. Good. Let's close that up. Update mirrors. Update the mirrors and the what is the difference between the two? That's weird. Update system, package cleanup, and configuration. Package cleanup service. EOS update notifier. Oh, okay. Display manager. Reset. Okay, there's a button to restart the default wallpaper. Chose one of the EndeavourOS wallpaper. Okay. Well, there is only one of them, so. Oh, never mind. Oh no, there's the stretched out icon. Whoop. The stretched out logo. Fine. There's only one wallpaper though, so I don't know why it is offering to download more. What? What is it doing? What? Fine. I will let it do. I will let it do its thing. Whatever. Update system. This more or less. So you have many of the same buttons. So you have a little tool to check the new configuration files and make the merge. Make the merges. Logs for troubleshooting. Oh, okay. EOS log tools. Okay. So it is a tool that allows you to make logs files for when you're asking for help on the forum. Okay. That's a pretty neat tool. Fine. Latest Arch news. So these are the news from Arch Linux. Okay. Browse all Arch packages. Oh yeah, so it is going to launch Firefox on the packages website. Okay. This is for the AUR. The same thing for the AUR. To install, use yay. Okay, thank you. Nom information. No more information about this desktop window manager. Okay, fine. Okay, so oh my god. No. It froze. No. Oh my god. It froze, but I doubt it is because of EndeavourOS, because something similar happened with one of the other virtual machine that I have. So I don't think it is because of EndeavourOS. I think it is because of VirtualBox. Power of the machine. Let's force the shutdown. I guess it is because of this VM as VGA. Either that or it doesn't like the 3D acceleration. Let's turn that off. Let's see what's going on after that. Don't know if it will help or not. Close that. Okay, we're back. No welcome screen anymore, so I guess I will... Oh, never mind, there it is. Why is there a sad smiley for this? Don't show me anymore. What is supposed to be sad? Okay. Choose one. Don't know what's the point though, but okay, tips. Package management and video user. So those are links for documentation. This is specifically for NVIDIA GPU users to help them out. Cool. AUR and yay. So to learn about the AUR. What is the AUR? Blah blah blah. Yay. Firewall information, EndeavourOS and ARM. Add more applications. Oh, the quick start and okay. So there's a set of applications right there, and you can install some of them, I suppose. Let's say I want to install LibreOffice right there. Install. So it asks for Innovative privileges, so let's give that out. So it is simply launching a script inside the terminal. So it is helping you, but it is still centered about the terminal. So you do not really have a graphical package manager. It is just some scripts to do the same thing that we'll do in the terminal. So now it is installing LibreOffice Fresh, which is not installed by default, as it said. As it said, pardon me, on the home page, you have a pretty limited amount of software by default. They in terminal, UX, term. So you barely add anything. You have Meld to, I guess, to help you out with the pack new files. The quick start install it is the tool right there. The EOS update notifier. You have Firefox installed by default. Opera is not installed by default. It is. I added it with the file as you saw before with the the file in the home of the live user set. The live user. And it did so. Oh, by the way, I also added a command. So let's launch the file manager under location. EndeavourOS. If I go in home, should have. Yes! I have the file right there. hello.txt. So it created the file as I asked in the script. So as you notice, there is no PAMAC, no graphical package manager at all. Everything is done in the command line and a way or another. You have some scripts to help you out with a welcome screen, but in the end it is still done in the terminal, as you can see. So what it is getting installed, let's see if I have some sound by default. Show application. Let's use Opera for this time. Let's go on YouTube. No thanks. I really not use to GNOME, to be honest. Really not used to GNOME. I do not use GNOME on a daily basis. Let's go with SteamM, the famous meme from the Simpsons. Steam Hams. Oh, my bad. I forgot to put my earphones on my head. Yeah, it is working. Just fine.
Well, Seymour, I made it, despite your directions.
Superintendent Chalmers, welcome. I hope you're prepared for an unforgettable luncheon.
Yeah.
I guess I should name this video like Steam Amps, but it's on EndeavourOS.
But what if I were to purchase fast food and disguise it as my own
And now I should name it like Steam Amp, but it is on Endeavour. My bad. Oh my god, I'm ruining the joke. Steam Amp, but it is on EndeavourOS inside Mancharo Remix.
Gonna need his medication. When he hears Skinner's lame exaggerations, there'll be trouble in town tonight.
Seymour!
Superintendent, I was just stretching my calves on the windowsill. Isometric exercise. Care to join me?
Why?
Alright, we're done with this. Let's go back for full screen. Okay. I wonder if so update mirror and EndeavourOS. So I guess there's more than just the Arch Linux mirrors then. Maybe they have their own custom repository too, or repositories. I don't know. We'll see. Let's go in this other location, Endeavour, etc. Let's put the window. Let's make the window a little bit bigger. Pacman.conf. Where it is? Where is it? My bad. It is right there. Let's open it. No, maybe not with LibreOffice Writer. Jaded would be just fine. Is it launching LibreOffice just to open a conf file? Hopefully not. Okay. So there you go. Oh yeah. Oh, they put EndeavourOS above Core Extra Community and well, in Community, I guess, and multi-threaded. Yeah. So this is overriding this, and this. But I wonder what is inside this repository, though. I have no idea. Press enter to resume. Oh yeah, it's the script right there. Yeah, the script launched by this. So we should have LibreOffice now. Fine. So yeah, this is LibreOffice. LibreOffice 7.4.3.2 directly from Arch Linux. So hello world. And let's save this document on title 1. It is just fine, we don't care. Alright, so it is LibreOffice as you would expect from pretty much any Linux distribution, to be honest. Let's try out Yay. I've never used Yay to. That's crazy. Never use Yay or never use any kind of AUR helper. Well, beside per Mac. Never use Yay. Do you? Never use like Pacor or Pack whatever there is. I don't know. Do you guys remember like Yaourt? Is it Yaourt, the old one that was considered shitty? My god, I have to remember right. Because Yay is an abbreviation for yet another yogurt, if I remember correctly. So I think Yaourt is like the old AUR helper that everyone hated. What? It is still available? No way. Oh no, okay. This is like just replacing it. Is Yahoo deprecated? Yeah, it is called Yaourt. Oh my god. Well, that question is weird because no AUR helper are really supported by Arch Linux anyway, so I don't know why you would ask such a question. I mean, at that point, any AUR helper are deprecated. Or they cannot be deprecated because they were never supported to begin with. How to use... Oh my god, 2013. This is some old stuff. French for yogurt. 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 Oh my. the best alternative to replace Yaourt in Archenix. Oh my god. Oh man. What a blast from the past. To install Yaourt in Archenix. Please don't. Oh, mamma mia. Oh man. Okay, so yeah, let's use Yay now. Let's install something from the AUR. Let's go on the Archenix website. AUR. Let's install Pamac, which is not available by default on Endeavour, but you can still get it from the AUR. Pamac AUR. Let's go with this one. Oh my god, I'm not fused with no. You do not have a taskbar like on KDE or Cinnamon or just Windows Windows 10. Like you have to use activities and select your window right there to restore it. Okay, so can I zoom in a little bit? Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, now you're talking. Alright, so I guess it is used just like Pac-Man. Yeah, it seems to work just like Pac-Man in terms of syntax. So Yay S Pamac AUR. I wonder if base devel is no. Let's cancel everything. Sudo pacman base devel. Oops. Was supposed to type my password. All. So I will install everything. Net changes, but oh, they are. Oh my god, I'm stupid. This is installed by default. I'm stupid. This said right there, reinstalling. I'm retarded. Oops. Oops. Oh well, whatever. Oops. My bad. So I reinstalled like 26 packages for absolutely nothing, but it is fine. Yay. I don't know if you have to use sudo with Yay. I don't think so. Maybe. Oh well. It will ask if we need sudo. If it needs sudo, it will simply not work. Remove, make dependencies after install. No, that would be fine. We can keep it. Packages to clean build. Let's say all. Yeah, just start from scratch. PKG build, yes, diff to show. Not sure why it is showing me difference since it is all supposed to be new. Yeah, sure, go ahead. Oh mama. So we'll install a bunch of additional stuff. Let's say yes. That would be funny if I install some malware because I failed to read the package build. Alright, it is installed now. So we can move away from our terminal-centric distro and use Pamac. Add and remove software. There you go, you have Pamac from the AUR right there. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Right there. Oh yeah. So let's explore what is inside the EndeavourOS repo. EndeavourOS keyring, mirror list, some EOS.inc, YadiOS, yay, Calamares, EndeavourOS cal, SDDMT, some settings for EOS. So at first glance, I do not see why it will be over the Archinix repositories. Should be under. Don't see the purpose to be above. So as far as I know, there's no no conflict between like this repo and the other repos. Tell me in the comment if I'm wrong, but who knows? So, alright. So let's use Pamac to install something inside our system. Now let's move to GIMP. Let's install GIMP with Pamac. This does not come from Endeavour. It is actually my own system telling me that my mouse is dying. As you can see right there. My mouse battery is low, but is at like 5% since a long time. So whatever. And as you can see, I use Qubit torrent to download the EndeavourOS. Yes, you can use torrents to download legal stuff, not just illegal stuff. Alright, GIMP is installed. Let's see right there. There you go. Oh my god, you're so annoying. What's going on? Yeah, it is. I should change the battery. But it is still running fine. Oh, yes. Oh. So, yeah, it is GIMP. As you would have in any... Oh my god. Whoops. As you will have in any distro around the world. Man, it remembers me. You know the meme with like the guy looking at the girl that just walked by? Guy looking at girl meme. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one exactly. Imagine that meme, but you put like the EndeavourOS right there and Manjaro right there. I need to make it now. Photoshop meme. Oh boy. Distracted boyfriend. Mm-hmm. Unfortunately, it doesn't look big enough, but not sure we can do better. What? Oh my god, there's so much crap that being downloaded because of the ads. Jesus Christ. That's why you need an ad blocker, people. Well, I guess this will do because there's nothing better than this. Pictures. Alright, so Endeavour logo. Not exactly what I was looking for. What? No, Endeavour. Okay, there we go. Okay, this will do. Pictures. And Manjaro logo. Okay, so let's use the one that has this bar right there, which isn't there anymore, but everyone is using it. Everyone is using the wrong logo for some reason. Can I get... Okay, it will be fine. Okay. Now let's take GIMP. You'll see it will be good. It will be good. Very good. Let's open this. My god, my desktop is a mess right now. Let's open the meme. Is it the meme? Yes, it is a meme. Now, let's go right there. Oh my god, what are you doing? But if I... No, okay. Oh, no. What have I done? Okay. So we'll need to add... By the way, I have no talent whatsoever in image editing, so it will be really, really bad, but I don't care. Where's this transparency? My god, layer? Okay, now you take this, delete. Yeah, good enough. It will be good enough. What? Yeah, right there. So before, let's create a new layer just above so I can work my crap. Layer, scale. Yeah, just right there. Okay, now next, so you open the EndeavourOS logo. Right there. See, it will be good. It will be really good. Oh my god, it's so big. It's 210. Yeah! It is done! It should be my thumbnail right now. Yeah! Oh man, it is so good. Best meme since Steamed Am. Not a JPEG, as PNG, man, the best format. By the way, this is in cap lock, so it is looking a bit stupid. Oh yeah, yeah. Wait a minute. So it is not the right application to open read and write image properties. Can I select the application? No, what the No, seriously? Open with? Can I change the default application from there? Seriously? This is not progress. What I want is to open in this one, which is I don't know if I remember correctly. Image viewer. Pretty sure this is Eye of Gnome. Yes, the Eye of Gnome. I wanted to open in this, not in GIMP. Oh my god. This looks so bad. Especially with the wrong logo right there. Oh yeah, my chair is making so much noise. I'm so sorry. I'm poor, I cannot afford a gaming chair like, I don't know, PewDiePie. Should I just do my own clickbait thumbnail? Let's see if I can do one. Okay, let's see if I can do some really bad clickbait thumbnails for my video. Okay, let's see. Oh, I can't minimize. Oh my god. No, seriously. Do not have a minimize button by default. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this. And let's open up like a terminal. Oh, Jesus. Can't open two terminals. Whatever, let's close this one. Let's close this one. Okay, let's go right there. Let's launch a... Let's launch a terminal in this. Okay. Let's put it in black so I look like a hacker. Not in white. I need to look like an hacker for this one. Oh, name. Okay, whatever. No dark. Green on black. Oh, yes! That looks good. That looks really good. Oh yeah. This one looks really good. So let's. How is it called? String fetch. Nail fetch then. Oh wow. It looks really good now. The whole screen, please. Thank you. Okay. Now let's go back on GIMP right there. What? Never asked to open it in GIMP, but it did. Jesus Christ. It is actually reading my mind. Okay, I'll take it like this. So if I do this and this, no. I need to take like the whole picture. Okay, let's go back. Let's open the meme. Oh yes. It's too big though. Unless we crop it a little bit. Don't worry, I'm not talking to myself like that when I actually work on my computer. I'm much more silent than that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, good. Okay, so we'll add a layer just above. Let's rotate it a little bit. Rotate. Layer. Transform. Rotate a little bit. No. We'll just find one. Oh, well. Actually, I like it. No, we'll just fine. Okay, select another tool. Drag it right there. Perfect. And now I need some good text, okay? That is completely invisible because black on black. Alright. Vajaro Killer. Oh, yes, sir. Look at that. Metallic. Yeah. Now it looks really badass. Let's rotate it. No, not scale. Transform. Oh yeah. Yes. Manjaro. And the elm is just going above, so it is perfect. And let's do some drop shadow. No, not blur. Like, let's do some drop shadow. Doesn't do anything. Oh my god. Let's try it back. Let's try again. Drop Shadow Legacy. Oh no 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 no. I wanted to change the size of the picture though. Let's try something else then. Long shadow? Maybe not that much. Can I make it really long? Looks like comic books. It would look better if this wasn't black though, but blending option. Manjaro Killer. That's really cool. Finite. Let's make it not pitch black, but the thing is that I need more space above. So let's start from the beginning. Because I screwed up since the beginning actually. Oh my god. All this for a stupid meme. Yeah, I think it's done, man. I think it's done. Perfect. Now export as .nail.png. Good. Let's discard everything. God. That's the wrong application. Yay! It is done! Woo! Looks so nice. It looks so nice. Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm done with this video now. Oh man, this is good. This is good. The thing is, I've done this video. I've barely showed anything about EndeavourOS at all. The EOS update notifier. Configure and manage feature of EOS update notifier. What? Why is there a GUI app to supposedly configure the update notifier, but when you want to actually edit the configuration of the app, it makes you go in the terminal in Nano. What's the point of this? What's the point of this then? Why do you make a GUI to launch an application in the terminal? I don't get it. I mean, it is called Configure EOS Update Notifier. I know it is terminal centric, but at that point, why bother make GUI tools? It's just to make it done in the terminal instead anyway. Timer status. What does it do? What? So the only thing this button does is a sudo system settle status. I'm confused. The schedule. And now it lets you configure the thing. First check after system startup. That's useful, but you made it clear that it was supposed to be edited in the with a terminal with the text editor. So the point, what's the point of this then? What? Configure the schedule of system update checks, and now it lets you configure it in the GUI. So let's see if it works. Version test, checking for updates, checking for AUR updates. Press enter to. Okay, so there's no update, I suppose, so it is why it doesn't do anything. So even with this, how are you supposed to know if there's updates with this tool? Of course, this is hard to tell because there's no update because I just installed the system, but maybe there's a demo on YouTube. Maybe I will. Yeah, let's see. Why not? We have nothing else to do anyway. EOS update notifier. Oh, there's results. A platform. Graphic design is my passion right there. Oh my god, it looks like it was done in Word, like Word 2003, like something like that. I used to make this kind of word art in high school and elementary school. Wait. I wonder, can you still do it with LibreOffice? That would be so nice. Let's open Writer. Pretty sure you could do it with like OpenOffice back to the day. Let's forget about tips. Can you do some word art insert? Man, I've never used this function like ever. So images, no, just had to add some images. So shapes, line shapes, block arrow, flowcharts. No flowcharts. No. Star and banners. Special character, no. Formatting marks, no. No idea. No text box. No. What I'm looking for. Word art. Ooh. In LibreOffice. Text art. Insert font work. Insert. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Okay. How do I do it? insert, draw a writer. Okay, I'm in writer right now. Font work. Let's go. Let's go. Oh wait, I will just put the window right there. Oops, my bad. Insert font work. Let's go. Let's do it. Oh, donuts. Retro. All of them are retro if you're asking me to. Outline gray style open favorite. Oh, there's no the. Where's the orange one? I think it's. Yes! Yes, that's the best. Graphic design is my passion. Oh, wait. Oh, I wanted on 2 lines though. Yes! I'm dying right now. I'm dying for absolutely no fucking reasons. The EOS. So I guess EOS stands for something else. I think it stands for some camera or something. Some EOS utility. So EOS is not EndeavourOS at all in YouTube. Oh, here it is! Oh. The history of EndeavourOS.
From Voyager to Manjaro, back to Voyager, and then to Antergos. Brian Puwadmojo didn't know it at the time, but he had just found his home. When troubleshooting Paymac after an update left it broken, he needed to log into the forums. Fearful that forums were infested with nameless graybeard trolls just waiting for a fresh newbie to belittle, he quickly realized the Antergos forums weren't...
Nicely filmed behind, by the way. Good. Endeavour. So, EOS, Endeavour. Okay, they're making the links right now. So it looks like now this considering EOS as
from Voyager to Manjaro.
EndeavourOS. And there's something. My bad. Alright, we're back again. Oh, the automatic caption.
This is amazing, by the way. The next day...
Yeah, one day. One.
A homespun update notifier, the EOS update notifier, I forget what it's called,
right,
was found to be a bit aggressive, right? So they launched it, people gave feedback on it in the same 24 hours here, seemed to be a bit aggressive and in your face with a 2-hour check and notification. It's kind of annoying.
It's a little quick, yeah.
Right? But they say, all right, be patient, we're going to fix it. Manuel is not a superhero, but we'll get it. We'll get it.
Okay, doesn't show what the EOS update notifier does. 2 years ago. The new crypto launching soon. Be ready to get rich. Linux.mp4. Oh my god. That's the greatest grub menu I've seen in my life. Look at this. This is some Unix porn right there. Oh my god. This is some Unix porn right there. Oh my god, look at this. Oh man. Arch Linux. By the way, I use Arch Linux. Oh my god. Looks great, man. I would leave a thumbs up, but I'm not logged in. Are you serious? Why you put this as a description? Oh my god. Oh my god. This review. Oh, the EOS update notifier. Maybe there's something about it right there. Some ads. No. So I guess it was like in the transcript or something. Automatic caching.
Desktop notification with done storage installed. We have here notification for new updates. This is the EOS update notifier and the welcome screen. And we have also some floating apps here, for example, power control for our volumes and some others.
Not really what I was looking for though. I just wanted to see the update notifier in action, but guess we won't see that today. Oh, EOS.
Now in the system section there is a configure EOS update notifier. So crashed process viewers discover is there. EndeavourOS apps info, EndeavourOS lock tool is there. Version 5.
Okay. So no, it won't be helpful. Let's save this masterpiece. Oh my god. Oh no, this comes from my kitty. I guess it is telling me that my mouse is dying again. Yep. Still at 5% for the... It's like the WinRAR trial period. Like, you know, in WinRAR you can try out WinRAR for like 40 days. But these 40 days are like forever. But the system is running fine. This is just like a basic Arch Linux install with some customization. A little customization, not too much. Nothing really deep. So it is kind of like having an Arch Linux install, more or less. That's pretty much it. It's like, yeah, we offer you a Arch Linux install, but so you can figure that out. You can try out some stuff and learn how Arch Linux works, but you're already one step in the door. So it is much easier to figure out what's going on, how to do things inside Arch Linux when you have a working Arch Linux install, I guess. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you liked it. It was a pretty cool experience. Will it replace my Manjaro install? Not really. I am embracing my bloat that comes with Manjaro. I embrace my PAMAC and my graphical tools. But if you want to learn how Arch Linux works without figuring out how to install it properly first, because once you master the tools of Arch Linux, I guess installing Arch Linux properly is much easier. So you can, if you want to try out Arch Linux without the painful a painful install process, well, I guess it can satisfy you. But since I'm not that much interested in having Arch Linux as my OS, well, it's not that much more interesting to me than Manjaro. So yeah, that was it. It was a pretty nice experience. I hope you liked it. We had a lot of fun messing around with it. See you next time for another video.